I will bless the Lord because he blessed me. I will lift him up because he lifted me from the pit of sin. If you want to get an effective cloning video, it is important that you don't move the camera. So what I do, I record everything in one shot. So I don't have to go and take off the camera and risk shaking the camera while I'm recording again. So now that we import our video into Microsoft PowerPoint, we want to separate the two videos into one part and the next part, which will be basically the two clones. So I'm just copying the entire thing and pasting it and just leaving this on the side, right? And we're going to use this one first. So first things first, I'm going to trim the video to the part that I want to use. So that's about right here, and right, okay. And then I'm going to set the animation to play one time. Always remember to set your animations to play. Right. Okay, good. So now I'm going to crop the video. Go to the format, click crop. Oops. Put it back. Right. And crop. Right. And now I'm going to bring this video on here, and I'll just set this animation to play as well. Play. And I'll set it with previous so it will play with the other video, and I'll crop this one time to make things easier. So boom, and then I'll go trim to where I'm standing right here. Right. Okay, and voila, and you just play it. This video is also an acoustic cover of an original song that I wrote and sang. It's called Hallelujah Baby, and I provide the link in the description for that video if you want to listen to the original song. So thanks for watching and have a great day. So I will sing and make music every day. That is why all the people can go say, I see hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah, baby. Since I small and I learn how to crawl, and I've given the Lord Jesus my all. Hallelujah, baby. And they're checking. Man hard at work, Where's I getting right? On the block? The man hard at work, so that means I had to support and share his man videos, Share the videos.